Hamster Kombat code for July 11th stroke July 12th 2024. The word for today is note. That is NODES. Notes. That is the word for today. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and share it with others. Without further ado, let's dive in. The first word, which is N, it is dash and dot. The whole is dash dash. Sorry, let's take it again. The first word is N, it is dash and dot. The second one is O. Dash dash dash, and the D is dash dot dot. The He is a dot, and the S is dot dot dot. And that is all for today, guys. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, and share it with others. So we meet again in our next video. Do well to stay safe. Bye for now.